Hi, Fred here for Tuesday Tent Talks. We have a customer, Bob, that writes in, asked if we did any improvements to the FTKS system to make it easier to go through the crowns. So, a few weeks ago when we had set up all the units, we did a couple of videos to show some of the improvements that we've done to the system. One, I want to show you how it's easier to pull over the tops and not get hung up on the cables, and what we've done to the legs to make it a little bit more universal. So I'm going to send it out to Brian out in the field.
You asked to solve another problem. What we've done is taken rings to allow for easy pullovers of your mids to not get the buckles caught on any of the scissor cables. That simply was, again, using the rings and then adding this piece, which has a Keder attached to a buckle with the strap that then will slide through your Keder track on that outside. We're standing here with a couple of our leg options. Our standard leg option is going to be our Kedered 7/8 with a 3-foot adjustable base. We have another option of our non-Kedered, which also could come with a 3-foot adjustable base, or we do have the option of the 1-foot adjustable. Now, talking with both of our legs, we've made them universal. So what does that mean? A lot of times, and we heard this from you, the customers, you've got your 3 holes drilled for your crossbars, as well as either into your corners or your side tees. You've had problems if it's been spun. The hole at the top is the same, but you didn't have your crossbar adjustables. So now it doesn't matter which way you have it. Plus, another feature is that we have milled the middle of the leg to allow for easier installation as well.
Hi, I hope Brian's videos helped you explain some of the new features that we have on the FTKS. And don't forget, if you ever have a topic or like to see something, to email us in at ttt@wemaketents.com. Happy 4th of July, and see you next week on Tuesday Tent Talk. Stay safe.